The battery of Arjun's phone had got discharged. Arjun tried calling Kavya from Kaveri Mosi's phone, but Kavya's phone was switched off. He tried again and again, but in vain. His eyes filled with tears. Kaveri Mosi sat beside him and told him to lay back. "Everything will be fine, Arjun. Right now, you need to take rest," she said. Why, Kaveri Mosi? Why did she say that? Why does she hate me so much? क्या मैं इतना बुरा हूँ मौसी? Arjun couldn't believe all this had happened. Tell me, मौसी, am I so bad? पहली बार किसी लड़के से प्यार किया और बदले में ये मिला मुझे. I got hatred in return for all the love I have for her. Why, मौसी? क्या मैंने कुछ गलत किया? चुप हो जाओ अर्जुन, शांत हो जाओ. You did nothing wrong, बेटा. There must be some other reason she said that. Don't worry, Arjun, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, okay? Yes, Mosi. I'm sure something has happened in her past and that's what is troubling her. I need to talk to her, Mosi, but her phone is switched off, damn it, said Arjun in frustration. We must go home. Right now. But Arjun, doctor has said that they will discharge you day after tomorrow, said Kaveri Mosi worried. No, Mosi. I need to go home right now. I must see Kavya as soon as possible. Saying so, Arjun got out of bed. Arjun requested the doctor and the hospital authorities to let him go. They allowed him, but at his own risk. Arjun was ready to take any risk whatsoever to bring his Kavya back. Arjun and Kaveri Mosi reached home. Ramu Kaka was glad to see Arjun all right. The moment they entered, Arjun began calling out for Kavya. Kavya? He began looking for her. Kavya, where are you? I need to talk to you, Kavya, please. Kavya madam to chali gayi saab, told Ramu Kaka. Kaveri Mosi and Arjun were shocked. Chali gayi? Where did she go? Asked Arjun impatiently. She was crying badly, told Ramu Kaka. She took her bag and everything and left. I tried to stop her. I even asked her what had happened and where she was going, but she left without saying anything. Arjun didn't know what to do. He felt helpless now. He realized that his phone had got discharged, so he kept it aside for charging. Kaveri Mosi and Ramu Kaka tried to relax Arjun. He was already feeling weak due to the injury, and now he felt weaker, as if he had lost every hope, as if there was nothing good left in his life. Arjun took his phone to try calling Kavya again, and then he saw a new message. It was Kavya's. He opened it and was surprised to see, I love you too. He immediately showed it to Kaveri Mosi. She loves me, Mosi. Kavya loves me, he cried in excitement. But why did she say that she hates me? He wondered. I must meet her, Mosi. I know she must have gone home. To her home, to Baba. I ought to know the reason why she said that, even when she loves me. I must leave immediately. Wait, Arjun, I will come along, said Kaveri Mosi. She realized there was no point in telling Arjun to stop. They both left for Pune. Arjun had noted down Kavya's address that was there on her application form for the internship. He, along with Kaveri Mosi, reached the place. He rang the doorbell. An old man opened the door. This must be Baba, thought Arjun. Miss Kavya Mehra? He asked. I'm Arjun Singhania. He introduced himself. Baba recognized him, of course. He invited Arjun and Kaveri Mosi inside. Serving them water, he said, I'm sorry, but Kavya is not here. Arjun became more restless now. Baba, please, I know she is here. I'm very sure about it. I just want to talk to her, just once, requested Arjun. Please, Baba. I need to talk to Kavya. I need to know why she ran away. I know there is something about her past that is troubling her. I have the right to know, Baba. I love her. I really do, said Arjun helplessly. Baba could see how genuine Arjun was. His love was true, and he did have the right to know everything. Baba narrated everything to Arjun and Kaveri Mosi. Both were shocked and surprised to know Kavya's past. They were shocked to know the mentality of people and the way they treated Kavya. Now Arjun knew why Kavya seemed so sad and why she ran away from him. That was because she wanted Arjun to be fine, because she loved him. Baba, don't worry. I promise to keep Kavya happy, always. Kavya is my responsibility from now on. Please let her be mine, said Arjun. What problem will I have, beta? I will be more than happy. But will she be ready? Said Baba, concerned. Leave that to me, Baba. Just let me meet her. Trust me, said Arjun. Arjun was standing in front of a room. The door was partly open. There was darkness inside. The door creaked as Arjun slowly pushed it open. Kavya? Called out Arjun. I know you are in here. There was no reply. Kavya? I've come here only for you, and you know that, said Arjun. Still no reply. I know everything now. I know what had happened, and I still love you. Rather, I love you more now. Everything was silent. I have come here to make you mine, Kavya. And we are going to have a great life together. Trust me. Not a single sound. Kavya, why are you doing this to me? And why are you doing this to yourself? Come out of this darkness. Come out of your dark past and see how bright and beautiful life is. No reply at all. तुम्हें मेरी कसम है, Kavya. And the next instant, Arjun felt a sudden thrust against his chest as Kavya came and hugged him tightly. She was crying her heart out. Arjun wrapped her in his arms. He tried to comfort her. Shh, bas Kavya, chup ho jao. But Kavya kept crying. Kavya, शांत हो जाओ, कितना रोगी? Everything's gonna be fine now. I'm here with you. And I will always be. Kavya held him more tightly, clutching his shirt in her fists. Arjun rubbed her back, trying to calm her down. They stood there silently in each other's arms till Kavya stopped crying. Arjun felt her shiver in his arms. He gently kissed her head as he gripped her tightly. So, Miss Kavya Mehra, will you marry me? He asked, holding her. A strange fear crept over Kavya. What if something happens to you? You met with an accident yesterday just because I sent you the message. What if something... Kavya, what are you saying, huh? Arjun interrupted her. Nothing will happen to me until you are with me. But yes, something will surely happen to me if you deny to marry me. I might die, he said, winking. Shh, said Kavya, placing her palm on his lips. Never say that, please. Moving her hand aside, Arjun said, So tell me now, will you marry me? Kavya didn't dare to say yes yet. Do you believe in me, Kavya? Asked Arjun. I do, replied Kavya. Do you believe in our love? Kavya nodded in yes as tears filled her eyes. Then trust me, Kavya. We both will make the world's best couple. And nothing will happen to me. I promise. Nothing at all. Kavya hugged him again. I love you, Arjun. I love you too, said Arjun as she smiled, knowing that Kavya was his forever.